Archer Midnight is a next-generation electric air taxi designed for city travel. Built by Archer Aviation, it can carry 1 pilot and 4 passengers, offering fast and quiet flights that help avoid traffic on busy roads. The aircraft uses 12 electric propellers, including 6 that tilt, along with wings that allow it to take off vertically and then fly forward efficiently. It can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour and travel between 20 and 50 miles, making it suitable for short city trips, airport routes, and nearby suburban travel. Safety is a key focus, with advanced flight control systems, backup features, and a smooth shift from hovering to forward flight. It is also very quiet, producing about 45 decibels while cruising, and runs on zero-emission electric power, making it environmentally friendly. The Aridge A868 is a modern flying taxi designed to change the way people travel in cities and between cities. Made by Aridge, it uses hybrid engines for long-distance flights and high speeds, without needing a traditional runway. It can carry up to 6 passengers, making it great for group trips. The A868 can travel over 500 kilometers and reach speeds above 360 kilometers per hour. Inside, it offers a comfortable and spacious cabin for a smooth ride. Built in Guangzhou, China, the A868 is part of Aridge's plan to make flying taxis common. DirectFly Alto NG is a modern, all-metal, 2-seat light sport aircraft made for fun flying and pilot training. It is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 ULS engine, giving it a top speed of about 161 miles per hour and a comfortable cruising speed of around 111 miles per hour. The aircraft can climb at up to 1,000 feet per minute, providing smooth and efficient takeoffs. Overall, the DirectFly Alto NG combines good performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a great choice for both training and recreational flying. The Pipistrel Sinus is a flexible 2-seat ultralight motor glider that blends efficient powered flight with excellent gliding ability, making it ideal for pilots who enjoy both cruising and soaring. Embraer Eve Air is an electric flying taxi made for modern city and suburban travel. It is designed to be clean, quiet, and efficient, helping people move faster without pollution. Built by Embraer's innovation team, the aircraft can carry 4 passengers and a pilot. It uses a lift plus cruise design with 8 rotors to take off and land vertically, and fixed wings to fly forward smoothly and efficiently. Because it runs on electric power, it produces 0 emissions and very low noise. The aircraft also includes multiple backup systems to improve safety, reliability, and comfort. Govee Airjet is a next-generation electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is developed by GAC Group under the GOI brand and is designed to change how people travel in cities and short distances. Govee Airjet can cruise at about 155 miles per hour and fly over 124 miles on a single charge. Fast charging takes around 25 to 30 minutes, and future versions are expected to go even farther using advanced solid-state batteries. Inside, the cabin can seat 3 to 4 passengers. It offers a premium feel with large panoramic windows, soft ambient lighting, wireless charging, and a starlight ceiling. Kitty Hawk Heaviside is a next-generation electric aircraft made for short trips in cities and nearby regions. Its small, lightweight design and modern electric system help cut travel time while reducing pollution. The aircraft uses 8 electric propellers on its wings and front stabilizers, allowing it to take off vertically and then smoothly shift into forward flight. It can reach speeds of about 180 miles per hour and fly close to 100 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for fast point-to-point travel. Heaviside uses very little energy per passenger, offering a cleaner option compared to cars and traditional airplanes. The Overair Butterfly is a new kind of flying taxi built to make city air travel quiet, safe, and efficient. Made by Overair in California, it uses advanced technology from experienced aerospace designers. The aircraft has 4 large tilt rotors that help it hover, fly forward efficiently, save energy, and reduce noise. It can carry 6 people, 1 pilot and 5 passengers, at speeds of 290 to 320 kilometers per hour, with a range of about 160 kilometers. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame, big panoramic windows, and backup flight systems make it comfortable, safe, and reliable. The first full-size prototype is already built and being tested. Once certified, it could change how people travel between cities, suburbs, and airports with quiet, practical, and fast flights. Rolls-Royce revealed this hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft concept in 2018. It is a flexible platform designed for many uses, including personal travel, commercial passenger flights, cargo transport, and military missions. The aircraft features tilting wings that allow it to take off and land vertically. During forward flight, the wing-mounted propellers fold away to reduce drag and cabin noise, while two rear propellers provide thrust. Inside, it has a versatile 4-seat cabin. The concept offers a range of about 500 miles and a cruising speed of around 250 miles per hour. It is powered by an M250-based hybrid system that produces roughly 500 kilowatts of electrical power. TCab Tech E20 is a modern flying taxi made to bring air travel into everyday city life. It was developed by TCab Tech in Shanghai and can carry up to 5 passengers. The aircraft is designed for short, efficient, and eco-friendly trips at low altitude. The E20 uses a tilt rotor system, which lets it take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then fly forward like an airplane. It can reach speeds of up to 320 km per hour and travel about 200 km on a single flight, making it ideal for city travel and short regional routes. Safety is a top priority. The E20 has multiple rotors, backup systems, and advanced flight controls to keep flights stable and reliable. Inside, the cabin is built for comfort, with large panoramic windows, comfortable seating, and smart systems that improve the passenger experience. The Airun X gondola, also called the Flying Gondola, is a new air travel concept created by the Tokyo-based company Airun X. It was revealed in 2019 and is designed to give people a safe, smooth, and comfortable flying experience, similar to sitting in a Ferris wheel cabin in the sky. The first prototype is a 1/3 scale model made for a single passenger. Future versions are planned to carry multiple passengers and may include shared seating to make the flight more social. Airun X believes the flying gondola could become an exciting new option for urban air travel, offering a fresh way to move above city streets. The Autoflight Air Taxi, also called Prosperity, is a modern flying taxi made to improve travel in cities and nearby regions. It was developed by Autoflight in Shanghai and can carry up to 5 passengers. The goal is to provide fast, efficient, and zero-emission transportation. Prosperity uses a lift and cruise design, which means it takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter but flies forward like an airplane. This allows smooth and direct trips between city centers, airports, and nearby cities. Its lightweight body and multiple rotors help keep the flight stable, safe, and reliable. The air taxi can fly at speeds of about 200 km per hour and travel up to 250 km on a single trip, making it useful for real point-to-point travel. With production increasing, Autoflight is moving closer to making flying taxis a normal part of daily transportation in the future of urban travel. The Breezer Sport is a German-built, 2-seat light sport aircraft designed to be fast, smooth, and easy to fly. It has a low-wing design and is made entirely from aluminum, with a rounded body and smooth surfaces that help it cut through the air efficiently. Powered by a 141-horsepower Rotax 915S engine, the Breezer Sport can reach a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and cruises comfortably at 125 miles per hour. It also climbs quickly, at up to 1,300 feet per minute, allowing for fast takeoffs and strong overall performance. Inside, the 46.7-inch wide cabin offers a comfortable space with modern glass cockpit avionics. Overall, the Breezer Sport is a stylish, high-performance aircraft well-suited for pilots who enjoy sport flying. The Silverlight Aviation AR-1 is an American-made gyroplane designed for both relaxed flying and long-distance trips. It is popular with pilots because it offers a good balance of performance, safety, and comfort. The AR-1 is powered by a turbocharged Rotax 915S engine producing 141 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of about 120 miles per hour and cruises smoothly between 55 and 100 miles per hour. With a strong climb rate of up to 1,300 feet per minute, takeoffs are quick and responsive. The tandem seating design offers clear, wide views, with the front seat set up for the pilot and designed for extra comfort. Overall, the AR-1 provides a smooth, reliable, and enjoyable flying experience built on solid engineering. The SkyDrive SD-05 is a small flying taxi designed for city travel. It is known for its smart design and strong potential for urban air mobility. The aircraft won a prestigious IF Design Award in the professional concept category, standing out among thousands of entries worldwide for its modern look and advanced engineering. Often called one of the most accessible flying cars, the SD-05 has a sleek body and uses 12 electric motors to provide smooth, quiet, and stable flights. Its compact size makes it suitable for crowded city areas, where it can be used for quick daily commutes, air taxi services, or emergency transport. SkyDrive has already shown the SD-05 in public test flights, proving its progress in both design and real-world operation. With its mix of attractive design and practical use, the SD-05 is seen as an important step toward the future of safe, efficient, and sustainable city air travel. The Skyleader 600 is a two-seat, all-metal light sport aircraft made for fun flying, flight training, and special missions. It is powered by a 100-horsepower Rotax 912 engine, giving it a top speed of about 143 miles per hour and a comfortable cruise speed of around 119 miles per hour. With a fuel capacity of 31.7 gallons, it can fly up to about 994 miles and stay in the air for nearly 9 hours. The aircraft is designed for comfort, with a wide 50-inch cockpit, good visibility, and ergonomic seating. Its wing design with Fowler flaps improves lift and control, making flights smooth and safe. The Skyleader 600 weighs 750 pounds empty and has a maximum takeoff weight of 1,323 pounds, allowing a useful load of 573 pounds. With modern avionics and customizable options, it is a reliable, efficient, and comfortable choice for light sport pilots. The TX-0001 is a two-seater electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically. It is being developed by the Chinese company Xpeng Aero HT and is designed as an air taxi for short-distance urban travel. It uses 8 electric motors to power 8 propellers, giving it smooth and quiet flight. The aircraft has a sleek, futuristic look and is built from lightweight composite materials. Inside, the cabin is roomy enough for 2 passengers and their luggage. The TX-0001 can fly up to about 130 kilometers, 81 miles, and reach a top speed of around 253 kilometers per hour, 157 miles per hour. It is still in development, and its price has not been announced yet.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000.
UDX Airwolf looks like the kind of bike people might fly in the future. A Czech company called UDX is turning this idea into reality with its electric hoverbike, the Airwolf, which has already completed test flights. It moves as quickly and smoothly as a hummingbird, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching a top speed of 230 km per hour. Even experienced bikers would find the ride exciting. It can carry 2 people at the same time, making it even more impressive. The main drawback is its short flight time of about 25 minutes, but UDX engineers are working to improve the battery range. As the flight time increases, more people may be willing to pay its high price of around $384,000. Wisk Aero Gen 6 is an advanced self-flying air taxi made to change how people travel in cities. It can carry 4 passengers along with their luggage, offering a fast and convenient way to move between city centers, airports, and nearby suburbs without getting stuck in traffic. The aircraft runs on electric power and has a lightweight design with 12 propellers and a wingspan of about 50 feet. It can cruise at around 120 knots and fly up to 90 miles on a single trip. Safety and comfort are key features, with backup systems, fewer moving parts, and a roomy cabin designed for passengers. Built in partnership with Boeing, the Gen 6 has already completed early flight tests and is working toward full approval for commercial use. Its ability to fly completely on its own, without a pilot on board, makes it one of the first air taxis bringing the future of urban air travel closer to everyday life.